Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Now I've got another little bag of yarn from Sharon Jones. She just sends me a little message and says I've sent you another bag. So we're going to open this and we'll have a look and see what she sent this time for our little Happy Mail. I just don't want to cut anything that's maybe in there. Oh, I see mint green. This is so, it's like I'm having all these sort of birthdays and things. What's this? There we go. Right, so I'm just, oh, there's Muttley down. He's ready. Look, see him down in that little corner down there? He's away to find his ball. He's away to find his ball. He's got his ball. He's coming back. Watch this. What have you got, Muttley? Oh, are you giving us your ball? Are you giving us your ball? Do you want the bag? Yep. Well, you just have to wait until we get all the stuff out the bag. Right, so we'll do this bag and look. Oh, look at this. Oh, look, a little birthday. I love these. I got one of these in a donation before. And I need to try and fix my camera so we're not directly on top of everything. So there we go. Oh no, oh no, we need to hide that blanket. I've been making this blanket and I finished it the other day and I've got my nice edge and everything on it. So I'll show you that. Look, this is absolutely stunning. This is one of the best ones I've made yet. Absolutely beautiful. Anyway, look at this. These are a pom-pom hat yarn. So there's a little pom-pom hat and you get a pom-pom on the top to put on the top of your hat once you've made it. I like these. I think they're brilliant. They really are. This is an Aldi one. The So Crafty brand is from Aldi's. I didn't know Aldi's did these, and look at that, it's beautiful. Now you don't need to use them to make hats. If you've got quite a few, you can actually use it to make blankets. And it says, are you wanting the what is it? What is it? Come here. Look at this. What do you want? You want that? Just a little pom-pom. It's a pom-pom. See? It's just a pom-pom. It's not a ball. Do you think that's a ball? It's not a ball. Motley thinks it's a ball. It's not a ball. I'll give you the bag in a minute. Give you the bag in a minute. Wait a wee minute. Get herself sorted, Jerry's bashing my hair around. You just have to wait. Anyway, so how many grams is in this? 85 grams. I'll pop that down there and we'll get this little bag done so Motley can get the bag. There's a little, a ball of green. There's a little ball of green. That's really pretty. It's a really pretty green. You get it. You can't get that. It's not a toy. And there's a little bag. Oh, I've spotted in there. Look at that. That is so pretty. So multicoloured. I like that. And oh, look. I couldn't find my pipe cleaners to make the butterfly. I was going to use wire. She sent me a pack of pipe cleaners. Oh, that's pretty. That's really pretty. Look at the colour in that. And it's one of those ones with the sparkles through it. That is so pretty. I'm sure I've got a couple of them upstairs in that same colour. Now my camera's making it look a little bit darker than it is. It's actually really pretty purple. I'll give you the bag. I'll give you the bag. Get my simile down there. I'll give you the bag. He always likes to get the bag to put his ball in. Oh, there's a little note. I'll read that later. Thank you very much, Sharon. This is a brilliant. So it is. Oh, look at this. This is an Aldi yarn as well. Oh, that's really soft. The Muttley's going nuts down there today. What? You can't have the bag? You'll get it in a minute. That's really, really pretty. Look at that. There's 4 balls on this. It's called flossy yarn. That's really pretty. Oh, I'll definitely find something to make with that. I've got a couple of patterns for ponchos, so I might try that. Oh, look. Oh, she sent me another ball of this. She sent me one already and it was pink and white. And this one's just white. It's a Snuggly Sweetie. It's that pom-pom one. Now, I'm definitely on the way of doing a tutorial for that. With that, I'll put that down. Muttley's getting quite excited. You're alright, we're on the bottom one. There we go. Do you want the bag? Where's your ball? Where's your ball? Right, we'll put your ball in the bag. So this is what we do for Muttley. We put his ball into the bag and we scrunch it up like that. And then he just plays around with it for his ball. There you go. Off you go. Look at this one. Listen to Muttley. This one's mint green. Look at this. It's so pretty. That is so, so pretty. Look at that. That's beautiful. I really like that. Now, this is enough in it. It's a 200-gram ball. Muttley with that bag. Look at this. I'm just trying to swing around to see him. Look at him. There you go. We see you. We see you. We can see you. We can. You got your ball in that bag. Yep. Yep, you have. Back to the yarn. This is beautiful. Now, there's always enough in here. It tells you to make a small pram blanket. There's 200 grams in it. It's 100 meters or 110 yards, and it's a polyester, 100% polyester, and it's really, really pretty. It doesn't have a shade. It's a number 0400, and this is just a nice white one. It's really pretty. But what you can do is you can always put the mint green and then the white, and then I've got a pink and white one as well, or you can just mix them up. It's really pretty. So you can always do, if you had 2 white. I'm going to tilt this camera again. This is just so funny. Look at this. I see you, Muttley. Muttley, I see you. What are you doing? You got your ball in there. Say hello to everybody. Are you going to say hello to everyone? Yeah, he's just going to try and hide it again. Sorry for the noise. But Muttley loves all the little, he loves the Happy Meal because he gets the boxes and the bags to play with for just a little while. It keeps him entertained for a little while. But what we're saying, if you had 2 of these white ones and a mint and green white one, you can do white and put the mint and green and white in the middle, sandwich it with another ball of white, and it'll make a bigger blanket as well. So I will do a tutorial on crocheting with this because it's got all the gaps, and I'm sure I've been told it's 2 stitches and then a pom-pom, and then you crochet your 2 stitches and you get another pom-pom, and it works up that way. So we'll give that a try anyway. Sharon, thank you so much. Thank you. All these little gifts are amazing. I love it. We all love it, and it's becoming quite a feature, and everybody loves it. And a lot of people say, what are you going to do with all that yarn? Well, believe me, I've got a lot of years ahead of me, and I will be using up, I will use up that yarn. And now I've got my camera sort of fixed. I've got my camera now. I was offline a few days. My camera busted, but I've got this one, and hopefully we'll just get all those blankets up, especially that one that's up there on my chair. Look at that. That is amazing. That's all you're getting to see of it. Sharon, thank you. Absolutely wonderful, wonderful. And Muttley's loving the bag down there as well. So thank you very much. And Oh, subscribe to my channel. Just click on that subscribe button. Doesn't cost you anything to subscribe to my channel. If you don't have a Gmail address, if you still click on the subscribe, then Google will take you through how to get a Gmail address. That's all you need. And then once you've got that, you can comment on lots of different videos. You can comment on lots of different YouTubers' videos as well, not just mine. And also, if you press that bell icon, then YouTube will tell you when I put up another video. So until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.